Fortinet NSE7 Enterprise Firewall 7.2 NSE7-EFW-7.2 Real exam questions are available for you to study all the related topics. Share some Fortinet NSE7-EFW-7.2 real exam questions here. 1. Which ADVPN configuration must be configured using a script on FortiManager, when using VPN Manager to manage FortiGate VPN tunnels? A. Enable Add VPN in IPsec Phase 1. B. Disable Add Route on Hub. C. Configure IP addresses on IPsec Virtual Interlaces. D. Set Protected Network to All. 2. Which FortiGate in a security IORIC sends TOGs to FortiAnalyzer? A. Only the root FortiGate. B. Each FortiGate in the security fabric. C. The FortiGate devices performing Network Address Translation (NAT) or Unified Threat Management (UTM). If configured. D. Only the last FortiGate that handled a session in the security fabric. 3. Which configuration can be used to reduce the number of BGP sessions in on IBGP network? A. Root Reflector Peer Enable. B. Root Reflector Client Enable. C. Root Reflector Enable. D. Root Reflector Server Enable. 4. Which two statements about IK Vision 2 are true? Choose 2. A. Phase 1 includes main mode. B. It supports the Extensible Authentication Protocol (EAP). C. It supports the XAuth protocol. D. It exchanges a minimum of 4 messages to establish a secure tunnel. 5. Which statement about network processor (NP) offloading is true? A. For TCP traffic, FortiGate CPU offloads the first packets of SYN, ACK and ACK of the three-way handshake to NP. B. The NP provides IPS signature matching. C. You can disable the NP for each firewall policy using the command NP acceleration street to loose. D. The NP checks the session key or IPsec SAW. 6. After enabling IPS, you receive feedback about traffic being dropped. What could be the reason? A. NP Excel mode is set to enable. B. Traffic submit is set to disable. C. IPS is configured to monitor. D. Fail open is set to disable. 7. Which 3 conditions are required for 2 FortiGate devices to form an OSPF adjacency? Choose 3. A. OSPF interface network types match. B. OSPF router IDs are unique. C. OSPF interface priority settings are unique. D. OSPF link costs match. E. Authentication settings match. 8. You want to configure faster failure detection for BGP. Which parameter should you enable on both connected FortiGate devices? A. eBGP enforce multi-hop. B. BFD. C. Distribute list in. D. Graceful restart. 9. You contoured an address object on the tool FortiGate in a security fabric. This object is not synchronized with a downstream device. Which 2 reasons could be the cause? Choose 2. A. The address object on the tool FortiGate has fabric object set to disable. B. The root FortiGate has configuration sync set to enable. C. The downstream FortiGate has fabric object unification set to local. D. The downstream FortiGate has configuration sync set to local. 10. Which two statements about the security fabric are true? Choose 2. A. FortiGate uses the Forti telemetry protocol to communicate with Forti Annotizer. B. Only the root FortiGate sends logs to Forti Analyzer. C. Only FortiGate devices with configuration sync receive and synchronize global CMDB objects that the toot FortiGate sends. D. Only the root FortiGate collects network topology information and forwards it to Forti Analyzer.